quietly, every day, something watches over your world, clearing the noise, giving you more time, handling what you never see, so you're free to live your life. And when it matters, one call. Jarvis is watching your systems, keeping you informed of what matters. Extending your reach, your capacity, your output. The one you can count on, in business, in life. Jarvis, empowering you to live